keep it in desktop maybe. Just keep it in.
Okay, fine. I just
That's okay because this Eclipse you are going to use for, because these two things, right? Android development. These two setups will be your permanent setups. That's why just keep it in some folder where you can actually feel that. Yeah, that's fine. As of now, you can just keep it there because. Yeah, because see, what we'll be doing is we'll be giving the path of this ADT, right? Then obviously, if you delete something from desktop, your complete setup will be disturbed.
You're right.
Yeah, that's why you just keep it in some drive where you feel that that's your personal drive maybe, right? Or some D drive, or inside C. You can just keep this inside C also. Doesn't matter, but don't keep it a desktop. If everything goes wrong again, it's a But I recommend you to keep it in the drive where you have more space, right? Because your emulator needs space to run, right? So that's why. Development folder, yeah, perfect, no issues. Open that.
Okay.
Yeah. So go to Eclipse.
Can you see my screen?
So this Eclipse is something which you have. I can see your screen now. So this Eclipse is something which we have downloaded, right?
Yeah, we have downloaded this here.
Okay, so can you just open this Eclipse once?
Yeah, I have opened it.
Okay, and I've sent you one and click on accept. Click on this accept license agreement.
Yep.
Okay, now download the last one. This Windows 64 is there, right?
Yep, Windows 64.
Can you see that? In this list itself, you have something called, click on that. This is start downloading.
Yeah, it's 90.7 MB. It's getting fast.
Yeah, it will get. Yeah, it's an Oracle server actually, so it will get faster.
Yeah, it's done.
Okay, so click on run it up.
I have to run this up?
Yep, run that. Double click on that.
Should I copy this or?
No, you can. No need actually. You can just run because this is something which you have to install in your machine, right? Don't worry about that. Yeah. Click on next. Yeah, click on next again. Okay, please wait for a moment. You can just minimize all other pages and folders, everything. Just keep this setup. You can rather close this window. Yeah. Okay, so let it install.
What is this actually? I mean,
so the JDK is something. This is a main component. If you want to, work on Java, right? You should have your JDK, which is Java Development Kit, in your machine. Until unless you have JDK, you can't develop any application in Java, right?
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. I just thought you guys have JDK with you. That's fine. Not to worry.
I never been through the Java, so
Don't worry. Yeah, I can understand that. Yeah. So click on next now. So can you do one thing, Naresh? I think it's going to take some time. Can you just go to meeting, and you have an option called give keyboard and mouse. In go to meeting, so that I can just set up things. Yeah.
I mean,
One second.
I have pressed on. You got the access?
I don't. One second. So when you click on keyboard and access keyboard, you have to select your name.
I have selected your name. Yeah.
Okay, one second.
Got it. Do you got?
One sec, I don't have the control yet. So I'm trying to click. No, click on close.
You got the control.
No, I didn't get anyway. So that's fine. Naresh have controls. You have controls. Okay, click on close anyway. Still that I click on close.
Okay.
Okay. So now, okay. Now is it done? Okay, because I'm getting the control. Perfect. Now, so let me open your. Let's see. Let me open the window. Oh, sorry, I just clicked on this. Can you open your folder once.
Yeah.
One sec.
Which folder?
One sec. Let me open that. Don't worry. So where is your start button here? Okay, it's a Windows 8. Okay.
Yeah, it's a Windows 8. I'll open it, no problem. One
Oh,
moment.
shit, yeah. I got it, yeah.
Got it?
One second. Let me open your, we can just close this. Or else, leave it.
Yeah, this I have opened it. You can see that?
We open the window.
No, one moment. You're asking for the copied files?
No, I'm not asking. Just one window. Maybe C drive. Just open program file C drive once.
One.
Now, can you do one thing? Can you just go back and try to open your Eclipse now?
You're asking me?
Yeah, I'm asking you, Naresh.
Yeah, I have opened the Eclipse.
I can't see that. Okay, now can you click on Eclipse now? Let me just click on this. Okay, wait a minute. I'll just click on that. Let us see. Yeah, perfect. Now it is opening. Okay, fine. You don't have to do anything else. So it will take the SDK file, it seems. Doesn't matter. Okay. So now you are actually getting up with your Eclipse. Now, if you go back to this, right? Now I think this is your do your workspace, right? Do your workspace, and when you click on this, you'll get the complete path, right? Let me copy it. Yeah.
What is this actually?
This workspace, because we have to give some workspace name here. So your Eclipse is loading now. Now can you see this? It says you have to give some workspace. Right?
Okay.
Launcher. So now you have to paste it here. Now you can see I have pasted your workspace and just keep it as, use this as default. Okay. So whatever you create, right? Whatever programs you create from now on will be created from here. Now you can see as of now your workspace folder is blank. Right?
Yeah.
Now when I click on this and click on OK, right? Now you can see some files will start getting created. Can you see .metadata got created?
Yeah,
right?
metadata, yes.
And this is what, now your Eclipse will open. Now whatever you do in this Eclipse, it will directly go to Workspace, right? And all your projects and everything will be working from here, right?
Okay,
perfect. Now let me just go to, click on work page one.
Which one?
Click on work page. Okay, I can click on that. One second. So this is your Eclipse, right? Now what we have to do?
Okay.
Install new software. Alright, so it will open up this. So let me click on add, and now you have to give some path. So which I have pinged you here. This is the path. Oops, it is not the path. One second. So I'll ping you one path. Naresh, can you just copy that? I'll ping you.
I got one path
in GoToMeeting. Yeah,
it's
in chat.
google.com.
Yes. Yeah. DD.
Copy this?
Yeah, copy that and paste it here. I can't see your GoToMeeting. That's why I just copy it here.
One. My right click is not working.
Or else just click on that link. Click on that link, maybe it will open some page and you can actually copy from there. No issues. Okay, fine. So one sec, let me just let me just copy this up. Don't worry. So here I'm going to copy this, right? Minimize this window. So okay, now I'm going to paste it here, right? And let me just say it as ADT underscore somebody, maybe Naresh. Right? Now this is, we are going to click on OK.
What is this link?
So this is something which is, see, we have downloaded two things, right? One is Eclipse, right? And one is don't worry about JDK. JDK is something which is just a framework, okay?
No, I'm telling you ADT.
ADT, yes, that is SDK, right? So you have downloaded SDK and you have downloaded Eclipse. Now, in order to actually join these two, right? We have to link with ADT. That is what we are doing here, right? We are setting up our Eclipse so that we can actually, we can actually connect SDK with our Eclipse, right?
Okay.
Click on next. Now, okay, it seems your machine is faster. That's good. Okay, click on next again, and okay, I'll accept this. The same setup which we have done just now. With Fariki, right? So it's going to install your software now. Okay, it says you want to continue. Yes. Okay.
Yes, okay.
I've clicked on okay. Yeah. Okay, just say public access. Let's say allow access because it just want to. Yes, you want to restart. Yes, perfect. So Eclipse setup is done. Now let it open. I think minimize this window.
So it's going to open.
One sec. It has opened Eclipse. One sec.
Yeah.
Where is that? Okay. So this is going to open Eclipse right now. Here you can see it says location of SDK is not there, right? So whenever it restarted, right now you have to give SDK. That's what I was saying. If you keep your this in your desktop, right, which means now you are going to give this SDK path, this ADT path. But in this ADT, you have got three things, which is SDK, Eclipse, and some SDK manager, right? Now we are going to select this SDK, right? Right? Now here, this is a path which is called as a SDK path. Let me copy this, which means we are going to give this path to my Eclipse. That's what I said. If you just keep this in your desktop itself, right? Now click on Open Preferences. Now it will open my preferences here. Proceed. Now here, this is the Android path which we have just seen with Faruqi, right? You have to copy your SDK path here. So when I copy it up, right? Now you can see automatically when I click on Apply, right? It will just get the details of SDK. Now you can see your SDK for 3 is done. Now click on OK. Now which means now your SDK path is configured now. Fine. Now here it is asking for install SDK. Okay, you can just say use existing. We have already done with this, don't worry. Now you just have to choose the path, existing location. Click on next.
SDK location.
Yeah. Okay. So send status you don't have to. Click on now. Finish. Okay. Now your SDK is done. Okay. So your machine is done with SDK. Now, before doing anything, right, Faruqi and Akshay, maybe you can just follow from here. Before doing that, what you have to do is, right, just close my Eclipse. Just whenever you are done with Eclipse, right, just close that. And you guys have to do one thing. So, wherever your SDK is there, right, so just go to that SDK path. Okay, and you have an option called SDK Manager, right? You have to just select that SDK Manager. It will open up a window for you. Right now, this window. Now this is window which will keep you updated actually, right? You can see that there are some things which are installed and all, right? Now you can just click on this new. When you click on this new, right, it will select all the new components whatever you have. Some SDK builds 4.3 and all, right? And just uncheck on install so that it will just show not installed one. Now always do one thing, always open this, uncheck this install and click on new, so that everything will be selected. Just click on install. It is going to take so much of time, right? So just leave it. Don't open your Eclipse. Just close your Eclipse, everything, right? And do that. Okay.
Okay.
Just let me just click on accept license here, right? Something here you can just select accept license here. So now button will be enabled. Click on install. Now it is going to install the latest updates for you, right? So 4.2.2 and 4.3, all APIs. You can see even 18 API is out in the market, right? 18 API. So this will update your SDK with the latest one, right? So keep this. It is going to take much time. It may take more than an hour. Just keep this, right? So this is your complete setup of your Android, right?